Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're like me, your router table is one of the most versatile tools in the shop, capable of everything from precise joinery to flawless edge profiles. But no matter how good your router is, it's only as accurate as your fence system. Today, we're looking at the SKOOL router table fence system, a no-nonsense upgrade designed for woodworkers who want more control, consistency, and safety at the table. Priced at $77, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option. But does it deliver where it matters most? Over the past few weeks, I've put this system through its paces, cutting hardwoods, testing repeatability, and evaluating real-world usability. From dust collection to adjustability, and from build quality to long-term durability, we're going to cover it all. This isn't just about whether it fits your table, it's about whether it fits your workflow. Let's dive in and see if the SKOOL fence lives up to the hype. When I first unboxed the SKOOL router table fence system, I was immediately struck by how solid it felt. The anodized orange aluminum has a clean, professional look, definitely not the dull industrial gray I was expecting, and the extrusions are straight right out of the box, which is a big plus. Setting it up was surprisingly straightforward. There weren't any formal instructions, just a labeled diagram, but honestly, it didn't matter. The design is intuitive. You've got T-bolts for securing it into the miter slots, all January 4th, 20 hardware, and the whole thing comes together without much fuss. I had it mounted on my table in under 20 minutes, and everything lined up dead square. That kind of precision, especially at this price point, speaks volumes about the build quality. One of the standout features for me is the dual fence design with sacrificial faces. This isn't just a one-size-fits-all setup, it's built for actual use. The front face is adjustable, which is perfect when you're switching bits or want to get nice and close to your workpiece without interference. And since it's designed to be replaceable, you don't have to worry about nicks or cuts marring your main fence. The included featherboard is a thoughtful addition and actually works well to keep material flush against the fence during passes. I've already used it routing dados in pine and hardwood, and I didn't experience any tear out or wandering. It's clear that SKOOL put some thought into how people use these systems day to day, not just how they look on the shelf. The dust collection port is another win. I'll admit, I usually dread cleanup after router work, but this changed things. I hooked up my shop vac, made a simple adapter, and it pulled away the majority of chips and fine dust. I mean, it's not 100%, but getting 85 to 90% captured right at the source? That's impressive. I did notice a few sawdust puffs escape around the bit guard, but overall, the system keeps the table surprisingly clean. Speaking of the guard, it's sturdy, easy to adjust, and provides solid protection without getting in the way of visibility. For someone like me who values both safety and efficiency, that's a big check in the pros column. Now, let's keep it real. There are a couple of quirks worth mentioning. I've used several router fence systems over the years, and this one is mostly great, but the hardware isn't perfect. One of the posts came with slightly mangled threads, which meant I had to run a tap through it to get the bolt to seat properly, and whilst the T-slot on top works, the included bolts are undersized and tend to stick or bind when sliding. I ended up swapping them for some modified carriage bolts, which glide much more smoothly. It's not a deal breaker, but it's the kind of thing I'd expect to be sorted out at the factory level. Still, for $77, it's hard to justify holding that against it too much, especially when the core performance is so solid. Where this fence really shines is versatility. Whether I'm doing edge profiling, raised panels, or precise dovetail cuts, the adjustability and rigidity make a noticeable difference. The T-track along the top is genius. Pair it with their clamps, and jigs lock down securely without shifting. I used it last weekend to run a set of identical shelf pins, and I didn't have to tweak the setup once over 30 pieces. That kind of repeatability is what makes a router table a real workshop powerhouse. And when paired with a good router lift, something I also run from SKOOL, the whole system becomes a joy to work with. It's not just functional. It streamlines the entire process, taking the frustration out of setup and letting you focus on clean, accurate cuts. Overall, I'd say the SKOOL router table fence system punches well above its weight. It's accurate, rigid, packed with features, and priced at $77. It undercuts nearly every competitor in its class. Sure, there's room for small improvements like better hardware and maybe officially fixing the advertised versus actual length issue, but those are nitpicks in the grand scheme. The fence is straight, the dust collection works, and it installs in minutes. For weekend warriors and full-time woodworkers alike, this is one of those upgrades that genuinely transforms how you use your table router. If you're on the fence, pun intended, about upgrading your setup, I'd say take the leap. This system delivers performance and value in a way that's hard to beat. If you're ready to elevate your router table game with precision and ease, the SKOOL system is a no-brainer. Don't let a shaky fence hold you back. Lock in your accuracy and lock in your future projects. And if this review helped you make the cut, hit like and subscribe for more honest shop-tested insights. See you in the next one.